Raitool 12 volts, 24 volts lithium battery power drill. Cordless rechargeable 2-speed electric drill. 24 volts features, * 24 volts, 12 volts detachable lithium battery, durable and reliable. Slide pack battery provides easy installation and removal of the battery, and the smart charging can be quickly charged and discharged for long-lasting life. * 2 Adjustable speed and reversible. This drill features a 2-speed setting, delivers optimal performance with trigger that allows to control your own drilling speed, which perfects for what you are setting up for. The extra press switch allows you to either forward or reversely based on your purposes. * 30 minutes fast charge. Rechargeable battery can be fully charged within 30 minutes, 12 volts, 50 minutes, 24 volts. * 15+1 torque adjustment to meet the needs of different situations of torque. * self-locking quick change chuck. With one hand, drills and other accessories can be easily replaced. * overcurrent protection, over-voltage protection, over-temperature protection, charge and discharge protection. * 10 mm keyless chuck. 10 mm keyless chuck for quick and easy bit changing. Ensures high concentricity and available for all kinds of drill, driver bits. The flexible shaft could be used in some places which a drill head cannot work. * bright LED light enables high performance in low light settings. * stepless speed switch with positive and negative switch. * ergonomics design. Lightweight and small size make this drill easy to handle. Ideal for most any household jobs, such as drilling and screw-driving tasks into wood, metal, plastic and more. Anti-slip soft silicone handle provides extra comfort and make it hand-in tight. Specification. Brand Raitool. Name 2-speed cordless power drill battery. Voltage 12 volts, 24 volts lithium battery. Rotating speed 0 to 350, 0.1150 R per minute, 12 volts. 0 to 350, 0.1350 R per minute, 24 volts. Motor reverse. Available torque range 15, gear chuck 10 mm, max charging time approximately 0.30 minutes, 12 volts, 50 minutes, 24 volts. Package contents: 1x 12 volts, 24 volts cordless drill with detachable Li-ion battery, optional, 1x charger.